Nice to you, nice of you. These two are both correct. It's okay to say nice to you. It's okay to say nice of you. How about right here? So it's not okay to say nice to you. That's so nice to you. You need to say that's so nice of you. Why? Before it was okay. But now we have more context. We have that's so nice of you. We have that's so. Right here, it's okay to say you're so good to me. But it is not okay to say you're so good of me. Why? Can you tell me? Let's take a look at more examples. The student was nice to the teacher. Here it comes from one person to another person. Student, teacher. So we have two. It was very clever of him. Here we have a thing, and we only have one person. So if it's just one thing and one person, you need to use of. The lady was rude to the cashier. We have to. Why to the cashier? Because we have two people here, the lady and the cashier, and it goes from one person to another. One person, the lady, another person, the cashier. Use to. Why are you so sweet to me? Here we have to. Why? Well, we have one person, you, and we have another person, me. You, me. From one person to another. It's very thoughtful of you. Why of you? Well, we have one person, you, right here, but only one. It's a thing, right? This is something that you did. That's why we use of. And how about this one? Be kind to strangers. Why to? Where is another person? This is an imperative sentence. And in imperative sentences, we always have you in mind. So when we say be kind, we're talking to you. Right here. So that's another person right here. One person is you. And two strangers are other people. So it's not just a person, it's people. That's why we use to. Be kind to strangers. Let's read our examples one more time. The student was nice to the teacher. It was very clever of him. The lady was rude to the cashier. Why are you so sweet to me? It's very thoughtful of you. Be kind to strangers. Here, from one person to other people. Let's have more practice. Thank you. It's very kind to you or of you. It's very kind of you. You, we have only one person right here, you. And there is one thing that you did. Something that you did is kind. So we need to say It's very kind of you. Something, a person. Use of. It's very kind of you. They were very generous to us or of us. They. That's people. So one person, one more person, that's plural, right? To us. That's also people. Right? So it goes from people to people. Two people. You see that shows two. We need to say two. They were very generous to us. Can you be nice to others? Why not of? Why to or of? To others of others. Okay, how many people do we have right here? You is one person. So it goes from one person to other people right here. Other people, others, right? Others. That's why we need two. Can you be nice to others? Next. This is smart of you to do or to you to do. Don't say to. There's one thing, which is this, right? This. And there's one person, which is you. Say, this is smart of you to do. Next. Don't be rude to people. Oh, remember, that's an imperative sentence. I'm really talking to you right here. I'm talking to you in an imperative sentence. I'm telling you what to do. Okay, so that's one person right here. And people is plural. Okay, so we're going to say what? From one person to other people. Two. We need two right here. Say, don't be rude to people. I'm going to ask you to finish the last one for me. It's sweet to or of you to help. I'm going to ask you to finish this one for me in the comments. Thank you. Oh, by the way, if I could recommend a book, it would be this one, Basic English Grammar by Betty Azar. This is a great grammar book. I'm going to place an affiliate link for this book in the comments. That's an affiliate link. If you happen to buy this book using this link, I will get a commission at no extra charge for you. And this is the book that I could really recommend if you are interested in improving your grammar. Once again, thank you very much for watching.